Okay, the next step after creating or copying an event is you'll go through the next step, event basics. And this is pretty obvious. This is the Portrait open. This is the title of it. This is the file name. So when I go through Constant Contact and I look for this years from now, that's what it's called. Type, it can be, you can see there's a lot of different things. We're going to call it competition sports. This I just got right off the website. You can get that right off the website. This is a description of the event. When is the event? It's July 14th. You can navigate that with this here. It's going to be July 14th. We're going to start it at 1 p.m. It's going to end, I always say, about 5 hours. That's obvious. Show this information when people register. Where is your event? Physical location. I've got the address of the golf course here. Who is the event contact? That's me. We want this email address, the golf course phone number. Keep on rolling. Do you want registration to close automatically? Yes, on a certain date, which will be July 14th. Now, if it fills up before then, I'll have to manually shut it down. We don't want people to stumble on here and sign up when it's filled. This is important. Allow optional features. Allow registrants to join my contact list. Yes, we want people to get onto our mailing list. Now this right here, I have several lists where we categorize our customers. This would be AGC, Arrowhead Golf Course tournaments or tourneys. So anyone who's interested in our tourneys will be put into this list, and I email this list anytime Arrowhead has a tournament. Instead of sending it to everybody on the list. Some people just don't like tournaments. Some people, that's all they do. You try to find the most relevant emails that you have to offer and send it to those people. If you sent everything, they're going to say you're spamming them and opt out of your list, or they're just going to delete you every time. And then send me an email whenever someone registers for the event. I like to keep an eye on that. Advanced options. This is just keywords, you know, scramble, golf tournament, prize money. These are all things that people would be searching. Arrowhead golf course. Hashtag. We don't need to worry about that per se. But then, yeah, we're good to go there. And we'll be back with the next step after I hit continue.